In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if your PayPal account is business or personal. This is really useful if you're trying to connect PayPal to another service, accept payments, or just want to understand what kind of account you're using. The steps are simple, but it helps to know exactly where to look so you don't get confused by PayPal's menus and options. First, open your browser and go to the PayPal website, then log into your account as you normally would. Once you're logged in, you should land on your main PayPal dashboard, sometimes called the summary page. This is the page where you usually see your balance, recent activity, and shortcuts to send or request money. Now, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon, which is the settings button, usually next to the logout option. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This will take you to your account settings where PayPal shows more detailed information about your profile. Once you're on the settings page, pay attention to any message or banner that mentions upgrading your account. If you see a message along the lines of unlock new features like Express Checkout with a clickable link that says upgrade to a business account, that's a clear sign you're currently using a personal PayPal account. PayPal is basically telling you that you're on a personal plan and offering you the option to switch to a business account for extra features. If you don't see that upgrade message, or if you want a bit more confirmation, take a closer look at the information shown in your settings. Check the way your account details are labeled. If the information is clearly about you as an individual, such as your personal name and personal details, and there's no mention of a business name or business type, then you're looking at a personal account. On the other hand, a business account will usually show details related to a company or brand, like a business name, business contact information, or something that indicates it's set up for commercial use rather than just personal payments. So to summarize, you log in, go to your dashboard, click the gear icon in the top right, and then check for the upgrade message or review the type of information shown in your settings. Those clues will tell you whether your PayPal